Hello guys and welcome to AI Basics. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to sign up using your Google account on Lovo AI. Now let's begin. You can do this using your mobile device or your desktop device. It is up to you. Simply open any browser of your choice and search for Lovo AI. Once the page is loaded, you can view the homepage of Lovo AI. On the nav bar, it will show the different features it provides, the resources, use cases, the pricings. Scroll down if you want to know more about Lovo AI. For now, I just want to sign up using Google, so I'm gonna click on the sign up button, which I can find at the top right corner. Simply click on it. Now it will give you two options: to continue with Google or input your email address and credentials on your own. I want to continue with Google, so I'm gonna select the first option. A new pop-up will open, which will then prompt you to choose an account to continue to Lovo AI. Select the account you want. Now it will ask us if you want to confirm our sign-in. You can cancel it right now if you don't want to confirm. Or if you want to confirm, select this confirm button. Using your Google account, you have successfully signed up for Lovo AI. Now it will ask us to describe our workplace and the content we will be creating. Well guys, that's it for the video. This is how you sign up for Lovo AI using your Google account. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications, and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Your support fuels us. Until next time.